Hey guys, it's Bree the Coupon Queen. Welcome back to my channel. We are outside of CVS this week to do our haul, and there's quite a few great deals. We also got new printable coupons today from coupons.com, so those will be linked below in the description box as well as the printable breakdown. So if you're new to my channel and you're interested in learning how to save thousands of dollars each year through couponing, definitely consider hitting that red subscribe button and the notification bell. I do have 5 winners I am going to be announcing later in this video for my new CVS couponing ebook. So if you're still struggling with how to coupon at CVS, you have some questions about extra bucks, beauty bucks, CRTs, you name it, it is all answered in my 29-page ebook. So that is available in the description box as well if you want to purchase. And if you've entered in my giveaway, stay tuned to see if you're one of the lucky 5 winners. I also forgot to mention I am going to be doing another live video on YouTube talking about Fluz. I'm going to be giving away some of my vouchers to you guys, and we are going to be doing a $50 gift card giveaway and 2 different $100 gift card giveaways. So I'm super excited about that. So if you're interested in Fluz or you want to participate to be able to enter in the giveaways, definitely mark your calendars. It will be Tuesday at 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And I look forward to seeing you guys there. I am going to be doing 3 different transactions today. That way I can roll my extra bucks and beauty bucks I got from last week to keep my out-of-pocket as low as possible. Then, of course, you're going to want to use Fluz gift cards to help get cash back on whatever remaining balance you have when you're checking out at CVS. So let's go inside and see what we can do. Our first stop is always going to be the Red Box Coupon Center. You want to make sure you type in your phone number, or you can scan your extra care card. This is where you're going to get the instant coupons, CRTs, anything like that. You can print them here instead of printing them at home. And of course, they will print on the bottom of your receipts as well. So I usually type in my phone number about 3 times. That way I can make sure I get as many CRTs to print as possible. So let's see what we got. The first deal we're going to start with is Speed Stick Deodorant. Now, we did get digital coupons, so I clipped those, sent them to my card just in case they glitch. Or we have $1 off 1 coupons we got in today's inserts. So I'm going to use these because it is a higher value. They are on sale 2 for $6. Buy 2, get a $2 extra back. So I'm going to grab 1 of each, use 1 of each of these coupons. I also have a $1 off 2 Speed Stick Deodorant CRT. So I'll be left to pay $3, get back a $2 extra buck, making it $1 for 2 or 50 cents each. So that, I think, is definitely an amazing deal. So let's put together our cash card deal. So one quick thing, the CVS cash card is like a gift card. So they're gonna give you an actual gift card when you check out. It'll print on your receipt, then you're gonna hand it right back to them and they'll give you a gift card. So now that $10 gift card is not linked to an account. It's just like a standard gift card. So if you wanted to give that to someone, you could. So keep that in mind. Now it is spend 30, get that $10 cash card. So I'm gonna grab a large Febreze at $11.94. We have $3 coupons from the March PG insert, or there is a digital. Then we're gonna grab a Tide Pods for $4.94. We have a $2 coupon from the March PG insert, or you can also print this on pggoodeveryday.com. They do have a rewards program for PG products. So each product you purchase would get you 50 points. They have a ton of gift cards and things that you can redeem for as well. And of course, it's free to sign up. So that referral will be linked below in the description box if you wanna sign up for that. So let's add this to the cart, and we have a couple more things to grab. Now we're gonna pick up some Herbal Essences. It is included in the deal. They're 2 for $12 this week. I'm gonna use this 4 off of 2 coupon. Some CVS's do accept a coupon that may be expired by a day or 2. We also have a 4 off of 2 digital coupon if it doesn't work. Then I have a 2 off of 12 Herbal Essences CRT that I'm gonna use with this deal. The last product we need for our cash card deal is going to be this Neutrogena Acne Bar. So this is $3.79, and we just got a $3 instant coupon from the Red Box today. So If you're not doing the cash card deal, you can still come grab one of these for 79 cents. But let's go over our spend 30 deal. Okay, forgot to videotape this in the store. So the total for this is gonna be for the cash card deal. Total is $32.72. After all of the coupons, and if this glitches and $8 comes off, then you're gonna wind up paying $14.72, getting back a $10 cash card, making it $4.72 for 5 products, or 94 cents each, which is incredible, especially for a huge thing of Tide. If you need some cheap diapers, Pampers is definitely the way to go this week. They are on sale 2 for $20, and when you spend $20, you'll get a $5 extra back. It is a limit of 1. So Ibotta is still glitching on the size 2, and I believe the size 1, they're just out, so I can't scan it. But I scanned this one, and it is still glitching. So this is what you would do. Grab 2 of them. That'll bring you to $20. Use this 3 off of 2 digital coupon. If you have a 3 off of 15 Pampers or diaper CRT, add that as well. You'll pay $14 out of pocket, submit to Ibotta. Both of these rebates attach, giving you back $4.50 each. That would make 2 bags completely free. So an amazing deal to stock up on some diapers. Another nice freebie is Suave Professionals this week. They're 2 for $6. Buy 2, get a $2 extra back. So what you can do is grab 2 of these. We got $2 off 2 coupons in our Unilever insert from today. So if you don't have any CRTs, your final cost is gonna be $1 each, which is not bad. I have a 2 off of 2 Suave CRT. So I'm gonna pay $2, get back a $2 extra back, making these both completely free. Always scan your receipt to fetch rewards as well. Suave is a bonus item. More hair care deals this week, and remember, hair care does track towards CVS Beauty. So every $30 you spend, you'll get a $3 beauty back. Garnier is on sale 2 for $7. Buy 2, get a $2 extra back. We have $3 off 2 printable coupons. Any printable from this video will be linked in the printable breakdown, which is in the description box below the video. I'm gonna pay $4 out of pocket, get back a $2 extra back, making these just $1 a piece. Here's an amazing deal on Nexus. You're gonna pay 49 cents each final cost. So here's how you do it. Nexus is on promotion, spend 25, get a $10 extra back. What you're gonna do is grab any 2 of the products that are $16.49. That'll bring you to $32.98. We have $5 coupons we got today in our Unilever insert, maximum of 2 identical coupons. So we can use 2 of them, 1 for each product we're getting. Then I have this $5 Nexus CRT and a 4 off of 25 shampoo and conditioner CRT. So I am gonna be left to pay $13.98. Then I'm gonna get back a $10 extra buck, and this deal alone puts me over $30. So in 48 hours, I'll get a $3 beauty back, which is gonna make my final cost 98 cents for both, or 48 cents each. Okay, so unfortunately they don't have the cheapest Venus that I was gonna use, which was gonna make it either free or a moneymaker deal. But I'm still gonna share it with you just in case your store happens to be stocked. So what you're gonna do is grab 2 of these Venus single razors. That's what they look like. They're $9.99. That'll bring you to $19.98. Use 2 $3 coupons from the March PG insert. Then if you have a 6 off of 2 Venus razor CRT, you'll wind up paying $7.98, get back an $8 extra buck, making it free. If you also have a 5 off of 20 shave CRT, then your final cost is gonna be free and a $5 moneymaker, which is awesome. So let me know in the comments if you guys are stocked up and if you're able to take advantage of this amazing deal. If you like Nivea Lip Care, what you can do, it's on sale, buy 1, get a $2 extra buck. They're $3.49 at my store. Some stores are even cheaper, so it just depends what region you're in. But you would grab 1. If you have a $1 off Nivea Lip CRT, definitely add that in. If not, you'll pay $3.49, get back a $2 extra buck, making it just $1.49. This color is actually my favorite, and it will track towards CVS Beauty as well. Here is our deal again this week on Eucerin. So it's on sale, spend $20, get a $10 extra back. So what I'm gonna do is grab one of these daily hydrations like always. We do have $3 coupons that came in our 3/7 Smart Source, I believe. It will be linked below. Then you're gonna grab one of the Skin Calming, use another $3 coupon as well. This limit is 4. That'll bring you to $20.28. If you have a 4 off of 20 lotion CRT, add that in with this deal. You'll wind up paying $10.28, getting back a $10 extra buck, making it 28 cents for both of them, which is absolutely amazing. Here's a deal you can do if you have a 7 off of 35 any cosmetic CRT. What you can do is combine the Neutrogena deal, buy 2, get a $6 extra buck. You would grab 2 of these Healthy Skin Enhancers. They are $14.49. If you have this 6 off of 2 Neutrogena CRT and a $3 Neutrogena Makeup CRT, there's also $3 printable coupons that you can use on these. Those will be linked below for you. So our final cost for this deal is going to wind up being 2 of them equals $28.98. After all the coupons and CRTs, you'll pay $13.98, get back a $6 extra buck. So that makes it not a very good deal. But if you add it in with the Maybelline, and that way you can use the 7 off of 35 cosmetic CRT, it winds up being a moneymaker. So let's go check out that deal and go over the final numbers. So Maybelline is buy any 2, get a $5 extra buck. The cheapest product you can grab are these single eyeshadows at $4.39. We also have these $2 off one any Maybelline New York product. So you can use one of those on this. It is a limit of 1. We also have a $1 off one coupon from the 3/7 Smart Source. I have it in my bag, but for some reason I can't find it right now. So let's go over the totals for this deal, including the Neutrogena. So for all 4 of these products, your total is going to wind up being $37.76. Then after all of the coupons and CRTs come off, you are going to wind up paying $12.37. Then you're going to get back a $5 extra buck for the Maybelline, a $6 extra buck for the Neutrogena, and again, you'll hit beauty because you're over $30 in beauty products. So you'll get a $3 beauty buck in about 48 hours after you check out, which is going to make everything completely free and a little over $1 moneymaker deal. Okay, it's time to announce the 5 winners of my giveaway. Each of you is going to get a copy of the CVS couponing ebook. So all you have to do is send me an email to breecouponqueen@gmail.com and I can get those copies sent out to you. So instead of butchering everyone's name, it's probably just easier. Here are the 5 winners. Congratulations to each and every one of you guys. I really hope this ebook helps you a ton with really becoming an expert at couponing at CVS and being able to save so much money. Thank you guys so much for everyone who participated. The link for the CVS ebook and a preview is going to be below in the description box as well. So if you still want to check it out and purchase, it's $39 and it's 29 pages packed with everything you need to know for couponing at CVS. So now let's get into my receipts and everything that I purchased today. Okay guys, so I am just having one of those days. I'm like totally off my game. I forgot to hand over. First of all, I somehow misplaced a $5 Nexus coupon and I know I had it. Maybe it's in the aisle somewhere, I don't know. Then I forgot to hand over a $4 coupon and a $3 coupon. So that right there, I already lost like $12 in savings. I'm like, what? Just one of those days, you know? I wasn't as organized as I usually am. So that's obviously why. You've got to make sure you're organized, but I still want to go over everything. Oh, and then on the Speed Stick deodorant deal, I read the coupons wrong. I read them as $1 off of each because I just saw $1 and I didn't read it. No, it's $1 off of 2. So I just wound up having him take those off because it didn't wind up being a good price point for me personally to buy them with just the 50-cent savings. So yeah, totally my bad on that. Okay, so let's go over the deals. Wait a minute. So I told him to take these off, and that's the Lady Speed Stick. Okay, anyway, seriously. I told him to take it off. He took them away from me, like he took them out of the bag, and then he didn't take them off. So now I have to go back inside. Anyway, let's go over the receipts, and then we're gonna move on. Okay. So everything that I got all the Hallmark cards and everything as well. Oh, come on, light. There we go. Handed them the paper coupons. The Herbal Essences is just the digital because I forgot to hand him the paper one. Garnier coupon. Then these are all of the CRTs and everything that came off. Both of the Hallmark came off. I used my beauty buck from last week, a $12 beauty buck. Paid with a Fetch Rewards gift card, so I didn't have to pay anything out of pocket, which was awesome. Another deal that I found out after I had already videotaped was Suave. So if you get these instead, it's 2 for $6. There's $1.50 off one coupons from the inserts. I'll have it linked in the printable breakdown. So that would take off $3. You would pay $3, get back a $2 extra buck. If you have the 2 off 2 Suave like I did, it's already a dollar moneymaker. Then submit to Fetch Rewards. I have 750 points each. That'll give you back another 1,500 points or $1.50. Now it's a $2.50 moneymaker. So that's why I went ahead and grabbed this. Then I did just 2 deals in this transaction. And this is the one that I lost my $5 coupon somehow. Like, I don't know where it went. So I only have one. I did the Suave deal as well. I forgot to videotape it. They're $1.99 each. There's a 25-cent manufacturer coupon. I had a 2 off of 2. It says Colgate. It's Suave and $1 off of 2 Suave again. So I don't know why it's saying Colgate. That's weird. I didn't buy any Colgate today. 4 off 25 shave. Ooh, $5 Nexus hair care is that CRT came off. Perfect. So paid $7.32 on this one. Used a Fluz gift card. So you buy a $10 Fluz gift card. Then you are going to get back $3.80 because you're using a 35% cashback voucher. So it winds up lowering my total out-of-pocket cost, which is awesome. And my last transaction before I go inside and have him refund me or something, I did the Maybelline and the Eucerin. So I just wound up grabbing the Maybelline because it wound up being a freebie, and of course it tracks towards beauty. So all of the coupons and everything came off, rolled some extra bucks. This was the $10 CVS cash card, and this is the $10 extra buck that I got from the previous transaction. So final cost, $2.09. So I had one $10 Fluz gift card, and I used it on the last 2 transactions. So that covered up the $10. So now, instead of my final out-of-pocket cost being $10, my final cost, because I got back $3.80, so for everything we got today, I paid $6.20 out of pocket, which is incredible. Then, of course, I submitted my receipt to Fetch Rewards and got points back for the Suave. So if you have any other questions or anything, of course, drop a comment below, let me know. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.